5 biggest regrets people have in their 60s and 70s. As we grow older, we often look back and reflect on the choices we've made. Some bring us joy, while others leave us with a lingering sense of regret. The truth is, many people in their 60s and 70s share common regrets, things they wish they had done differently. But here's the good news. Understanding these regrets now can help you make better choices moving forward. Imagine reaching your later years with peace, knowing you lived life with intention and without the weight of unresolved regrets. Today, we're diving into the 5 biggest regrets people have in their later years, and most importantly, how you can avoid them while you still have time. 1. Not taking care of their health. Earlier, one of the most common regrets among older adults is not prioritizing their health sooner. Many people spend their younger years eating poorly, neglecting exercise, and assuming their bodies will always function the same way. But by the time they reach their 60s and 70s, they often face chronic illnesses, joint pain, and reduced mobility. The problem is that health decline happens gradually. You don't wake up one day and suddenly feel weak. It's the result of years of small daily habits. Those late-night snacks, skipping workouts, sitting for long hours without movement. These may seem harmless at first, but over decades they take a serious toll. It's easy to think, I'll start exercising next year, or I'll eat healthier when I have more time. But the truth is, time doesn't wait. However, there's good news. Even small lifestyle changes today can dramatically improve your quality of life in the future. Start by walking 30 minutes a day. It's one of the easiest and most effective ways to stay mobile. Prioritizing nutrition. Eating whole, unprocessed foods can add years to your life. Getting regular checkups. Many serious health issues can be prevented or managed with early detection. Your body is the only place you have to live. Take care of it before it's too late. 2. Not spending enough time with loved ones. Ask any elderly person about their biggest regrets, and you'll often hear the same response. I wish I had spent more time with my family and friends. As life gets busy, it's easy to prioritize work, responsibilities, and personal goals over relationships. Many older adults regret not making more time for their loved ones when they had the chance. They realize too late that missed birthdays, skipped gatherings, and postponed visits cannot be replaced. The people we love won't be around forever, and neither will we. The harsh reality is that time is the one thing we can never get back. So what can you do? Call your parents while you still can. Visit your children, even if life feels hectic. Reconnect with old friends. It's never too late. Because at the end of life, it's not money or achievements that bring happiness. It's the people you shared your life with. 3. Worrying too much about what others think. How many times have you hesitated to do something you truly wanted because you were afraid of what others might say? Many older adults regret spending too much of their lives trying to please others instead of following their own passions and desires. When we're younger, we often make decisions based on societal expectations, choosing careers or lifestyles that others approve of, fear of judgment, avoiding risks because of what people might think, trying to be perfect instead of being authentic. But here's the thing. As people grow older, they realize most of those opinions never really mattered. The takeaway: live for yourself, not for the approval of others. Be bold. Take risks. and follow your heart. Because in the end, the only person who truly lives with your choices is you. 4. Not taking more risks and pursuing dreams. Many older adults look back and regret the chances they didn't take. The business they were too afraid to start, the adventure they never went on, the career they wished they had pursued. Fear of failure holds many people back. But as they age, they realize that the biggest failure was never trying at all. Think about it. What if you had pursued that dream years ago? What if you had moved to that city you always wanted? What if you had taken that job opportunity that scared you? The sad reality is, many people never even give themselves the chance to try. But it's never too late. Start now. Even small steps today can build towards something bigger tomorrow. 5. Holding onto grudges and not forgiving. Sooner, one of the most painful regrets people have is holding on to resentment for too long. Many realize too late that grudges steal your happiness. Resentment drains your energy. Forgiveness isn't for them. It's for you. Life is too short to waste on negativity. Whether it's a family disagreement, a betrayal, or an old wound, forgiveness doesn't mean you have to forget or excuse the other person's actions. It means freeing yourself from the emotional burden. Many older adults say they wish they had let go of their anger sooner, so they could have spent more years in peace and happiness. If there's someone you need to forgive, do it for yourself. Release the burden and move forward. You'll be amazed at how much lighter you feel. Bonus, regret, not enjoying life. While they could. Another common regret among older adults, taking life too seriously and not enjoying the present moment. Many people spend years waiting for the perfect time to travel, pursue hobbies, spend time with loved ones, simply enjoy life. But as time passes, they realize that the perfect time never came. The lesson? Enjoy life now. Don't wait for retirement, the next promotion, or the right moment. Make happiness a priority today. Regret is a heavy burden to carry, but the good news is that you still have time. You can make choices today that your future self will thank you for. Take care of your health before it's too late. Spend time with loved ones while you still can. Stop worrying about others' opinions and live life on your terms. Take risks and pursue your dreams. Let go of resentment and choose peace. Enjoy life in the present moment. Remember, life is short, and it's never too late to make the most of it. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on wisdom, self-improvement, and life lessons. Let us know in the comments, what is one thing you don't want to regret later in life? See you in the next video.